welcome back to my channel. And today guys, as you can see, I'm going to show you how to make this friendship bracelet. Okay, so if you have a friend, and this is just crochet and very simple. Okay, so I make this red acrylic yarn, and this blue is a cotton yarn. Okay, so you can use whatever you've got, and this is really cute and simple. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so to start this, okay, I am going to use my 2.5 millimeter hook, and this acrylic yarn is 8 ply acrylic yarn, so I think it's medium weight worsted yarn. Yeah, medium worsted yarn. So yeah, if you have anything, a smaller or bigger, you can just have a go at it and see if you like, you like the finished project. Okay, so to start with, guys, I am going to make our normal slip knot. Insert my hook, okay, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so prepare for double crochet, and we're going to double crochet into the first chain that we made. Okay, so just like that. Okay, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, after this we turn around. Okay, turn our work, and I'm going to insert my hook into the middle. Okay, and pull through. Okay, so that we're going to slip stitch, and then from here I'm going to chain 4. Okay, and prepare for double crochet, and we're going to double crochet in the space. Okay, in the middle space. Okay, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, so we just have started. Okay, so after that, okay, turn our work, and we are going to do our slip stitch again, and chain 4, and double crochet into the space, and turn our work, slip stitch, chain 4, and double crochet. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. So we just made that. Okay, so you just have to continue doing that. Okay, so slip stitch, chain 4, and double crochet into the space. Okay, and turn. Okay, slip stitch, chain 4, and double crochet. Okay, so that's all we have to do. Okay, you just have to continue that until to your measurement. Okay, so with mine is I just have to work, okay, to work on that until it wraps into my wrist. Okay, so I'll continue doing this, guys. I'll continue doing this, and I'll come back to you when I got my measurement. Okay, and it wraps into my wrist. Okay, guys, so this is my last one. As you can see, I have that. I'll give you the measurement of that. So this is my last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just have 4 chains there, and I'm going to do my last double crochet. Okay, and this is the last double crochet that we need to do. Okay, and after that I'm just going to single crochet. Okay, so single crochet into the last. Okay, instead of turning the other way. Okay, so we finish here. Okay, usually we turn this way, but instead of turning this way, we turn into the other side. Okay, and we single crochet, so we are in the middle. Okay, so then I'm just going to chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, and I'll cut this off. Okay, so okay, cut it off, and after that I'm just going to before we do that, okay, so I'm going to, so as you can see guys, it fits. Okay, I'm going to show you that it just fit, okay, into the back. Okay, so it just fit into the back. Okay, and that's what you want. Okay, so it's still, you know, stretchy a little bit, but for me that will be okay. I don't want to be really tight. Okay, so with this one I'm going to give you the measurement of that. Okay, so from the top there, okay, not stretching. Okay, and around 6 inch or 15.2 centimeters. Okay, so 6 inch or 15.2 centimeters. It depends on your wrist guy. Okay, you can make it smaller. Okay, you can make it smaller, or you can make it just like this. It fits on me, so medium. Okay, so if you have a small wrist, you just have to make less of our double crochets. Okay, so after that guys, so what I'm going to do is, in the first chain here that we've got here, I'm just going to pull this. Maybe I should go in the other side. Okay, so now I have that. So when I pull it, okay, it just close. Maybe not a good idea. Maybe it needs to be pulled at the same way. Okay. Okay, so it fits. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, so when you pull and then it give you undo, okay, and you pull this tight and it closes. Okay, it opens and it closes. Okay, so you can put some beads here, or whatever you prefer. Okay, with mine I'm just going to tie a knot. Okay, so it doesn't come undone. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, and hopefully it doesn't come undone. Okay, and I'm just going to do one more time of this. Okay, just go closer. going to cut this off, and then here what I'm going to do, I'm going to tie one more knot, okay, and doesn't listen to what I wanted. Okay, so it doesn't listen to what I wanted. Okay, I am just going to cut this off. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so I have that, and then you can, you know, to close it off and stuff. Okay, you can put this here so it doesn't, you know, and Allah. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you like this, and you can, you know, you can do anything if you don't want this, guys. Okay, if you don't want this, you can do better. Okay, so there is a lot of ways that you can do this, but this is really really cute. I like this one. So hopefully you like this video. Please like, share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will get notified every time I will post a new video. It might be interesting, you know, you might like it or not. That's fine. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.